What's up, my people? I'm back to tell you what shoes you need for fall, so you're welcome. Here's some Doc Martens. Everyone needs these. They're a staple. These Steve Madden booties are a must. Literally search for them for a year. Over-the-knee boots really be hitting different, though. If you've been on Pinterest, you know Hunter rain boots make you look so good. Then we have these Steve Madden mules for a cute casual look. These Sam Edelman booties are literally life, and they're on sale. You can thank me later. Next is these black ones, and you can obviously tell I wear them a lot, so I'm not lying. You'll be a bad bitch. I know it's after Labor Day, but I don't care. White looks good with everything. Doc Marten dupes and Western booties also on sale. And obviously cheated to end it. Thanks for watching.